Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Today we're going to be finishing up the Air Force 1's. Now these are going to be the quilted Python, vice versa Nike sign inside ones that we previously made. So we got the right shoe right here. As you can see, it's Python, it's a quilted, it's an all white one with a red inside, red interior if you want to call it. And then the other shoe is the opposite Nike signs, and you know, same everything on the outside. So today we're going to be adding the soles onto them, pretty much finishing up. We got to glue the sole onto the bottom as well as hand stitch the sole onto it. So it's not going to be that hard. It's going to be very fun though. We pretty much, you know, just glue it up, attach it together. Now taking these soles off, I found a new way to take them off, so that'll be very nice in the long run for me. So that's very fun. But as you can see, we got ourselves the Air Force 1 all white bottoms. They finally came in, so it's time to attach them. Pretty much all we're going to be doing is gluing them up, attach them together. From there, we'll hammer it down a little bit. We got to stitch the sole on, and we're pretty much done. If you want to help support the channel so I can make some more cool stuff like this, teach you all the steps and tricks that I've been doing, make sure to become a member today. Cop yourself some merch as well. It really helps out the channel, helps us grow so I can make cool content like this, show you even more different shoes that I haven't made before, show you how I make it and the different, you know, techniques and the little tips that I use. But thanks for watching, and let's get to it. Boom, the legendary stand right there. Pull it up like that. I'll adjust it a little bit for you. There we go. So pull the tag down, as you can see, or the tongue. Boom, push it out. Slide it right on over. We're gonna throw this off to the side, and let me shove the heel back a little bit, even though it's going to be fine because we are hand stitching it on. This is our Air Force 1. I mean, looks super luxurious, super cool, super awesome. So now I gotta hand stitch the sole onto the bottom or onto the top, and then it'll be finished. I'm gonna go with white midsole stitching, just some heavy stitch, hand stitch that bad boy on, and before you know it, it's all gonna be finished. But I'm super happy with how these are turning out so far, and I can't wait to see the finished product. So as you can see, I'm pretty much finished. All I gotta do is stitch in the last stitch. So I'm going to throw the last stitch in right now, but these came out super nice. I'm super happy with how they turned out. As you can see, I just gotta rip the last one in, so I'm gonna do that. Lace it through. If it wants to get, I'm stepping on it, so of course, but as you can see, this took about, I'd say about 20 minutes to stitch on the sole, so not too bad. There we go, and now we'll pull it through on the other side so then we could tie it off. I have a lot of excess on this one, so I will definitely have to cut that off. And as you can see, there's a knot right there, so I'm just gonna cut, if it will cut. Okay, so there we go. So I pulled it through. Now we pretty much got ourselves a super clean Air Force 1. All that I gotta do is throw the sole in, and I have the sole right here. So what I'm gonna do is, it's super long, so I'm gonna cut off the excess, throw that off to the side. Gonna tie one knot right here. I'm gonna tie it down just like that. Then I'm gonna do a second one, and I'm gonna tie that down all the way down, so then it goes all the way to the bottom. Gonna do it one more time just for security. I like to triple knot it, so that's my thing. I'm gonna cut the excess off. We got ourselves our sole. Because it's an Air Force 1, just slide it right in and it's gonna fit perfectly. Boom, Just like that, there we go. And all we gotta do is throw in the white laces and it is all finished. And just like that, the Air Force Ones are all finished. They came out awesome. I'm super happy with how they turned out, especially with what I was working with. The quilted leather and the python go very nice together, as well as that red liner on the inside. As you can see, the sole fits in perfectly. Sole fits on the outside perfectly as well. I couldn't be more happier with how the shoe turned out. But thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about these. I'll do an on-foot review next after this, just to show you like all the full-on detail and everything, how it looks on the foot. So, you know, we'll give another slow look at the shoe. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. Let me know what you think about these. Let me know if you want to see a review on these, an on-foot review. I'll do that next if you'd like to see that. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. Join my Facebook group. It's growing every day, as well as my shoemaking course. I teach you how to make an Air Jordan 1 from start to finish, as well as my membership. It really helps out the channel with the merch. So thanks for watching and have a great day.